BMW X9, Complete Luxury SUV Review. Welcome to Wheel Empire, where we bring you the world's most stunning cars, futuristic designs, and next-generation automotive technology. Today, we are taking an exclusive first look at the BMW X9, a massive luxury SUV concept that looks ready to redefine the meaning of a flagship BMW. From its enormous kidney grille and razor-sharp LED headlights to its muscular body, oversized wheels, and futuristic cabin, the BMW X9 commands attention from every angle. So, get ready as we take you step by step through the BMW X9, exploring its exterior design, lighting technology, doors, interior luxury, digital cockpit, infotainment system, seating, safety technology, performance character, and every detail that makes this SUV so impressive. This is Wheel Empire, and now, let's discover the BMW X9. Editing sequence. Start with a cinematic wide shot of the BMW X9, followed by a slow camera push toward the front. Reveal the massive kidney grille, show the BMW badge, and transition into the next shot. Step front design and kidney grille. The first thing that grabs your attention is the enormous BMW kidney grille. Its oversized proportions give the X9 an extremely wide and powerful appearance. The grille dominates the front fascia and immediately establishes the vehicle as a premium flagship SUV. The surrounding bodywork is sharply sculpted, while the black detailing creates a strong contrast against the white exterior. The overall design looks bold, modern, and unmistakably BMW. Editing sequence. Start with a full front view, slowly zoom into the kidney grille, capture the BMW logo, and then move across the entire front fascia. Step LED headlights. Moving toward the headlights, the BMW X9 features an ultra-modern lighting signature. The slim LED-style headlights look sharp and focused, giving the SUV a high-tech appearance. The daytime running light design adds character to the front end, while the bright illumination creates a distinctive presence during nighttime driving. The lighting elements also make the X9 look wider and more aggressive. Editing sequence. Show the headlights from a distance, transition into a close-up, turn the lights on, and capture the LED pattern from multiple angles. Step lower front bumper. Below the grille, the aggressive lower bumper adds another layer of performance-inspired styling. Large black aerodynamic sections, sculpted surfaces, and vertical lighting elements make the front end look powerful. The lower bumper also gives the X9 a sporty character instead of making it appear like a traditional family SUV. Editing sequence. Move the camera from the grille down toward the bumper, capture the air intake areas, and finish with a low-angle front shot. Step side profile. From the side, the BMW X9 looks huge and commanding. The long body, muscular wheel arches, high shoulder line, large windows, and flowing roofline create the appearance of a premium flagship SUV. The black roof and dark glass contrast beautifully with the bright bodywork, while the sculpted doors give the vehicle a sophisticated and aerodynamic appearance. Editing sequence. Begin with a complete side profile, slowly track from front to rear, and finish with a 3/4 side shot. Step large alloy wheels. The massive alloy wheels immediately add presence to the BMW X9. Their dramatic multi-spoke design works perfectly with the oversized proportions of the SUV. The large wheels give the vehicle a performance-oriented appearance while maintaining the luxurious character expected from a flagship vehicle. Editing sequence. Start with the entire wheel, move closer to the spokes, capture the tire and wheel arch, then transition toward the rear wheel. Step aerodynamic details. The BMW X9 design includes numerous sculpted surfaces that visually communicate aerodynamic efficiency. The flowing body lines, side skirts, front bumper, wheel arches, and smooth surfaces all contribute to a futuristic appearance. The design looks carefully shaped to control airflow while also making the SUV appear faster and more athletic. Editing sequence. Follow the main body lines with a slow camera movement and use subtle airflow graphics to emphasize the aerodynamic design. Step door opening and door design. Now let's open the doors and move inside. The large doors create a premium entrance into the cabin. Their clean exterior surfaces continue the futuristic design theme. The integrated door handle treatment keeps the bodywork looking smooth and modern, while the large opening provides easy access to the spacious cabin. Editing sequence. Show the closed door, move toward the handle, open the door slowly, and follow the camera into the interior. Step luxury interior design. Inside, the BMW X9 moves into a completely different world. The cabin combines luxury, technology, and minimalism. Premium-looking materials, modern surfaces, ambient illumination, a sophisticated dashboard, and spacious proportions create an environment that feels more like a luxury lounge than an ordinary SUV. Every area of the cabin appears designed to give passengers a premium experience. Editing sequence. Begin with a wide interior shot, slowly scan across the dashboard, show the seats, and finish with the ambient lighting. Step. In front of the driver, a modern digital cockpit provides important driving information. Instead of traditional analog instruments, the futuristic design focuses on digital displays and customizable information. The driver can have access to information such as speed, navigation, vehicle status, and driving assistance information through the digital interface. Editing sequence. Show the steering wheel first, move toward the digital instrument display, and add close-up shots of the information panels. Step infotainment technology. The center of the cabin features a large digital infotainment interface. A system like this can bring together navigation, entertainment, vehicle settings, connectivity, and other functions. The large display also fits perfectly with the futuristic character of the X9, creating a clean and technology-focused dashboard. Editing sequence. Turn the display on, show navigation, switch to media controls, and then demonstrate vehicle settings. Step steering wheel and driver controls. The steering wheel combines essential driver controls into a sophisticated interface. Multifunction buttons can provide quick access to important features without requiring the driver to constantly move their hands away from the steering wheel. The overall design focuses on convenience while maintaining the premium appearance of the cabin. Editing sequence. Capture the steering wheel from the driver's perspective, zoom toward the controls, and show the driver's hands interacting with the interface. Step center console. The center console continues the premium theme with a clean and organized layout. A modern gear selector, storage areas, connectivity features, and digital controls can make everyday driving more convenient. The console also provides a visual connection between the dashboard and the front seats. Editing sequence. Start from the dashboard and slowly move down toward the center console, highlighting each control individually. Step front seats and comfort. Luxury is not only about appearance. A flagship SUV also needs to provide exceptional comfort. The BMW X9's large proportions suggest generous space for the driver and front passenger, with supportive seating and a premium environment designed for both daily driving and long-distance journeys. Editing sequence. Show both front seats, move toward the driver's seat, capture the seat controls, and finish with a wide cabin shot. Step rear seats and passenger space. The rear cabin is where a vehicle of this size can demonstrate its luxury credentials. Passengers can benefit from generous legroom, comfortable seating, climate control access, and a spacious environment. The large rear doors also make entering and exiting the vehicle easier. Editing sequence. Open the rear door, reveal the rear seating area, show the legroom, and capture the rear passenger environment from multiple angles. Step advanced driver assistance technology. Technology is another major part of the X9 concept. A modern flagship BMW SUV would be expected to offer advanced driver assistance technologies such as adaptive cruise functionality, lane support systems, parking assistance, collision warning systems, and surround view cameras, depending on the final specification. These technologies are designed to make driving more convenient and help the driver remain aware of the surrounding environment. Editing sequence. Show simulated adaptive cruise graphics, lane monitoring visuals, parking camera views, and driver assistance indicators. Step safety technology. Safety remains one of the most important aspects of any luxury SUV. Modern vehicle technology can monitor the surroundings, provide warnings, assist during parking, and support the driver in different traffic situations. Features and specifications would depend on the final production model, but safety would remain a major part of the BMW X9's premium positioning. Editing sequence. Show exterior camera locations, create a simulated 360-degree camera view, add safety warning graphics, and transition into a nighttime driving scene. Step performance and driving character. Now let's talk about performance. The BMW X9 design shown here has a strong performance-oriented appearance, with huge wheels, muscular proportions, aggressive aerodynamic elements, and a wide stance. However, because this BMW X9 image represents a concept style or speculative design rather than a confirmed production specification, exact engine output, horsepower, acceleration, top speed, and drivetrain figures should not be assumed from the image alone. Editing sequence. Transition from the showroom into cinematic road footage, use dynamic driving shots, capture the wheels in motion, and finish with a highway tracking shot. Step luxury meets technology. What makes this BMW X9 design especially interesting is the combination of luxury and technology. It does not simply look like a large SUV. It looks like a vehicle designed around the idea of a future BMW flagship, combining dramatic exterior styling, advanced lighting, digital technology, premium materials, spacious seating, and a powerful road presence. The X9 concept represents the idea of bringing BMW's luxury SUV experience to an even larger and more futuristic level. Editing sequence. Create a fast cinematic montage showing the grille, headlights, wheels, doors, interior, digital screens, seats, and complete exterior. Step final verdict. So, is the BMW X9 the ultimate luxury SUV? Based on this futuristic design, it certainly has the visual ingredients to become an incredible flagship. Its dramatic styling, commanding stance, advanced digital technology, premium cabin, spacious proportions, and unmistakable BMW identity make it a fascinating vehicle to imagine. Keep in mind that the BMW X9 shown in this presentation should be treated as a concept style or speculative design. Production specifications, pricing, engine options, technology, and equipment may be different if BMW officially introduces such a model. If you enjoyed this complete look at the BMW X9, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Wheel Empire, and turn on notifications for more futuristic cars, luxury SUVs, automotive technology, and next-generation vehicle designs. This is Wheel Empire, where we explore the cars that define the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.